Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to cruise or just thinking about it, stick around as we bring you everything you need to know and everything we did on this 7-night cruise on the MSC Seashore around the Caribbean. Are you hearing him? I don't know what he's saying, you guys. He's just singing something. We're just getting ready to go to dinner. This is my outfit for tonight. It's the glow party, so I wanted to go with something black, just so when I put Gerald bought glow sticks, so you put those on, you're kind of glowing. But I have some other stuff, so then we figured we'd all wear black. Y'alls, so I will show you. We're gonna go to dinner super late, but I think we should be fine. So gonna do that, and then I'm not sure what we're gonna do after, because the glow party is like 11 o'clock. You guys, I'm gonna have to be about that life, because 11 o'clock I should be in bed. I'm old people. And I got these shoes. Like, I haven't worn any heels, and they're not even high. Like, when I was young in my Vegas days, I was wearing heels that made me Kalel heights. And now I'm in these, and I'm like, let me see. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall. But they are so cute. Tell me those aren't cute, you guys. So cute. All right, let's go to dinner. Alrighty, so we are making our way to the dining room. I don't remember which one we're in, but we're somewhere. So let's see if we can find it. You guys, why can't we find where we're supposed to be going? Oh, Lord. Okay. Oh. I think, are we? No? Yes? Which way? Following Jarrell. More back. Okay, you guys. So we are back in the room. The dinner is at that set time, so we have to be there at 5. And we're coming up in the elevator and another group. They were like, we thought we could just go between 5 and 7 or whatever. Because like Carnival, when you get a time, you can go between a certain amount of time or whatever. But MSC is like right on the dot, because the dining room right now is empty. They're setting up for the next group. So he said he would accommodate us at 7:30. So we should go back at 7:30. We went down there almost 7, so it's 7:10 now. So we're gonna go down there in a little bit. Make sure we're early this time. Him. But yeah. We didn't know that we had to be there like exactly 5. So that's different. If you haven't sailed or you're thinking about sailing with MSC, just be sure to choose a time that will work, you know, right for you. 5 o'clock was super early for dinner, but the other time they had when we booked was 9. And 9 is too late. But 7 was perfect. I don't know how we didn't see 7. But people were saying that their site is different. They made changes, didn't update it. So that's probably one of it. Because there's no way, you know, 5 o'clock is super early, and then 9 o'clock is just way too late. I don't want to eat in the dining room. I don't want to go to the buffet. So at least he was nice, and he said to come back at 7:30. So that's what we're gonna do. So you'll see what's going on there in like 20 minutes. Well, for you it's gonna be a couple days and maybe a week, 2 weeks. But we'll see what the dinner is like tonight. Alright, so this is the main dining room, or one of them. Which one was this again, Joanna? 5th Avenue. And then there's another one, I forgot that one. But this is what it looks like. It looks all fancy. Like, I like to do this when you just up and eat at the dining room. Or, you know, if you don't want to, you can eat at the buffet. Or if you want to go even fancier, eat at one of the specialty restaurants. But I like just eating at the, you know, included restaurants. Gracias. Why am I saying gracias, you guys? I think I'm still in.
Welcome aboard, by the way.
Thank you.
Would you like something else to drink?
What else? Yeah, what else? What do you have? What kind of juice?
For complimentary drinks, we have unfiltered iced tea and the lemonade. And then other than that, we have soft drinks. Soft drinks like soft drinks and then wine, and then beer.
Okay. Lemonade is fine, thank you. I think 2 lemonades. Thank you.
About
Yes, lemonade too. Yes. Alright, Alright, so as you heard, it is lemonade and iced tea for drink. That's complimentary or included. And then you have to pay for alcohol and stuff like that. But in the buffet, you have a lunch today. We had pineapple, orange, cranberry. I'm not sure what's there for dinner now, but I'm gonna go check after we're done and stuff. But yeah, I'll let you know what we choose to eat. You guys, Khalil didn't even let me get a video of his salad, but that Caesar salad looks pretty good. How is it, Khalil? Good. So it's good. Joel and I got the salmon poke bowl. Let me tell you how it tastes. Because I keep saying I'm going to tell you and then I don't. So let me taste it, okay? Okay. It's actually pretty decent. Alright, that's good. I can eat this. Alright, for the entree, the kids got the prime rib. It's a special for the night. And then I got the New York strip steak, which is on the menu pretty much every night. Okay, my steak is really yummy. I mean, they didn't butcher the steak, so it's pretty good. How's your prime rib, Joel? He's liking his prime rib. So far, dinner is decent. We like it.
Oh, this is nice.
The kids got grandma's chocolate cake, and that's Kalila going crazy. With the chocolate, okay, and Jarell is, they're all animated right now. That's good, some good chocolate cake. I should have gotten that. I got this pistachio something. She recommended this one. It's a special for tonight. And then some coffee ice cream. Alright, so we went and after dinner changed shoes because yeah, you guys, I haven't worn heels in forever. My feet were like, nope, take it off. So went and changed shoes. Now we're looking for Gerald wants to get the wristband so he can use it to pay for stuff and, you know, scan whatever. Where are we going? That way. So it's his money. If he wants to get a wristband, he gets his wristband. And then he wants to get the ship Lego, so we're gonna grab that. Then they're gonna go do their kids playing games, whatever, and I'm gonna go gamble. And then we're gonna go to the glow party at 11, you guys, 11. And then the club is at 11:59. I think I'm gonna go, so that's the plan for tonight. Whew, a whole lot going on.
There was a happy hour and I got $3.
Yeah, so we came just in time, you guys. He was hurrying the three of us in the store. He's like, hurry up, scan your card before the happy hour end. I didn't even realize there was a happy hour going on. 20% off. So instead of $17.99, he paid $14 and change for the Lego. He's out here balling, you guys. He went and got the wristband, so now you can just scan it for everything. And he got the Lego, and I got one of the I got one of the wristbands too because it was cheaper to get two. It was like $9.99 each, and then $13.99 for two. So I'm like, all right, I'll give you the $3.99 for mine. I know I'm I'm a little scammer. I'm scamming Joel. Oh well. Alright, now we're gonna go have some fun. They are getting their air hockey in, and I'm gonna go drink and gamble. It is so cute over here, you guys. And this is a cabaret area. I think this is like one of those clubs. But I want to take a picture in that thing right there. Oh, this is a dining room. Okay. I'm just walking around looking like a crazy person. This is so pretty. I want to go in that hot air balloon looking thing. I'm trying to find the casino. Don't ask me where it is. I have no idea. But I'm going to walk until I find it. I haven't even started drinking yet. Dang. If you're liking this video, be sure to hit the like button, hit subscribe and the notification bell to stay up to date on our cruise adventures. So much more to come. You guys, they have midnight snack from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. or something, so we're down here trying to see what midnight snack consists of. But so far it looks like salads, what's that, like chips, like a nacho, lots of dessert. It's like a limited bar, see, I need a drink, like just a limited menu. Pretty cool.